So I am stuck on making yogurts myself. I make my Greek yogurts myself, but then I buy store-bought granola. So on this day, I still had leftover Greek yogurt in my fridge, but then I had no granola and I couldn't go out to buy any granola. So I decided to make granola with what I had at home. So you guys, let's get right into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel guys. So I want to shoot this video with this. God, I beg, God. I want to shoot this video with this. I'm going to be putting my phone here. So because I don't have another phone to record, I'll just carry my phone and put here. I hope it works. I just hope it works. Anyways guys, let us see what this head phone holder can give us, because I want to make granola and I'm going to be putting this on my head to video my process. I want to make Sapa granola. I just want to use things I have in the house. I don't have fruits, I don't have nothing, and I can't go out because of my kids. So guys, let's dive right into it. Anyhow this video is, that's how I'm going to post it. So guys, I'm not even going to lie, the head stuff, like the head phone holder, didn't work. It did not work. It didn't work. I tried, but the whole video was shaking and I just had to use my tripod. I'm sorry guys, I promised, but I didn't fulfill my promise. I said I was going to post the video no matter how it is, but I'm sorry I couldn't fulfill what I said.
Guys, I've been turning it though. I have been turning it because the last granola I prepared, I left it on fire and went to bake. Before I came out, it went burnt. Like everything burnt down. So this one, I'm not even giving it up to 2 minutes. I'm just turning it. And now the gas is off. I can actually take it like this, but see, isn't it looking yummy? It's looking yummy. Seriously, guys. I can actually bring it out like this because yes, everything has roasted, but I want it to dry up a little more.
See this pawpaw at the back of our house. I know that very soon this pawpaw will start ripening. Seriously. But I don't think I would ever go for this pawpaw because I usually do see snake around this place. When I'm cooking in the kitchen, you will just see snake going up and down. I've not seen one today. I wish I'll just see one and video for you guys. They are plenty in this place, like too much. So me, I'm scared that maybe if I want to go and take the pawpaw, the snake will bite me. So if I'm asked to rate this granola, I'm going to give it a 5/10. And my reasons for giving it a 5/10 is because it doesn't have orishi inside. I like my granola well packed with fruit. In fact, I love tropical granola with dry fruit and a lot of seeds and all that. But this one had zero zero fruit. It has nothing inside. And to think that I added a lot of cinnamon powder into this thing. While doing your granola, please just a pinch of cinnamon powder, or else it is going to alter the taste of your granola. Thank you for watching, guys. Do what to like, subscribe and turn on your notification bells. Bye guys.